Hello and welcome to COMOSYS Learning Tutorials. In this video we are going to learn about adding a new profile in COMOSYS database. In the Tools menu we can see a profile database icon. We need to click on that icon. Here we have 4 options. We need to use only the top 2 option to create a new profile. First, we need to click on Create Family icon. This is to create the profile family based on the shape of the profile. We need to click on the red color plus symbol icon so that we can add a new row here. Now, we need to give the new number to the row. We will give 1401 and the name to it as UBX, because UB series is already there and we cannot give the same name twice. Then we need to click on Finish. In the second step, we need to click on Create Profile. Here we have several types of profiles options available. I profile, U profile, C profiles and several others are there. You can create any profile. But in our example, we are creating UB series which is I-shaped, so I'm going to click on I-shape and click Next. Here we have a new window open. We need to click on Select Family. Here we need to select the newly created UBX series which we have created, and click Next. And in the profile name we need to give a name to it. Any random name we can give. I'm giving UBX 400 by 150 by 30. This is not matching to any standard steel table. Just for an example only I'm giving this. Now, we are going to mention the sizes of the section: depth 400 mm, width 150 mm, web thickness 5 mm, flange thickness 10 mm, root radius 5 mm and flange radius 5 mm. Let's click on Next. We get an warning message. It says this profile name already exists in the model. So we are going to give a slightly different name to it. Now click Next. These are the design properties of the section which we have created. Now we will click Finish and after that we need to click on Close. Now we will try to use our newly created profile in the database. Let's select any column in the model and change the profile to the newly created profile. We are going to browse to the new profile by clicking this icon. We will look for UBX family, and new profile is already here. We are going to select that and click Apply. COMOSYS is already updating the column. If you have any questions or clarifications, please do let us know. Thank you.